1, 2, like that, going along this 45-degree line, and that's the point right there. You can see I'm going to make a point right there. I'm going to follow the circle over and right there, and then down here and right there. So those are the 4 points that define where that circle is sitting on the Cartesian plane. We're going to use those 4 points to help us create the design for our numeral. So that's one of the qualities, that each numeral is attached to the points that define the radius of the circle. And then there's another criteria, in that each numeral must contain the value of the number that it represents. So this was the thinking of the people that designed the numeral. They were obviously very smart. They're very wise in the ways of math, and I'm not sure if it was one person or maybe it was even a group of people, group of scholars or mathematicians. How can we know? But we know now, we can look back and say, well, this can't be a coincidence that every numeral can fit like this. So let's just see what the numeral 8 looks like. For this, I need to have this compass here to help draw those circles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my compass on this point here where the x is 0 and y is 2, and we're going to draw a circle with the radius of square of 2, square root of 4. So it just goes like that, so you can see it touches down here, and I'm going to do the same thing again down here. Put my point there, like that, draw the circle like that. Okay, so just going to make that a little bit darker. Hopefully you can see it all right. So we can see that symbol has touched these 4 points that define the inner circle. That's the radius of the square root of 8. And we've drawn 2 circles with the radius of 2, so a diameter of 4. And so when we start up here, this symbol is also touching down right at that point right there. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 circles with the diameter of 4 stacked on top of each other give us a total length of 8. So there's the length of the value of the number that we're looking to create a symbol for, the length of 8. There's a symbol for it, 2 circles on top of each other. It's kind of interesting to note that the symbol for 4 had no circles. It was the first symbol in the series 1, 2, 3, 4 that didn't contain any parts of a circle, and yet here we have 2 circles with that same diameter of 4, and we are all the symbol for